Hi friends, I have a photo walk for you. The other day I was downtown during a jazz festival.
I mean, just play the right notes!
I was running around taking photos and experimenting with street video. And at one point I climbed a parking garage using the stairs and came across a very interesting subframing situation. And if you've been around for a while, you know I do love a good subframe. And then there was other stuff. I do hope you enjoy. You have anything to say, buddy? Here. Witty observation. Hi, I'm downtown. I have my camera. Well, multiple cameras, actually. It is Saturday evening. Downtown is full. There is an event going on. I had to park out in the middle of the next county. So if all goes well, I think I should make it to the main part of downtown by nightfall. I'm in an apartment complex right now. Hopefully I can get through this gate. Maybe. Yep, there we go. Bridge. I made it! There's a jazz festival going on. Very exciting.
Leah Rutherford.
How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm going to see if I can get up there. This looks like a way. Okay. I have to switch lenses again. Oh, what an interesting angle we have here. Don't want to go too high. See if I can get the square in the shot without going too high and not being able to see the bridge. Oh, this is so good. Okay, first off, let's just get a photo. This is amazing. Oh yeah, big group. Just a cluster, nice cluster. Let's do some video. Oh, I have to back up, it's cropping. I'm glad I can get low enough to still keep this angle though. This is very nice. It's a little tricky to get far enough back to make it work. There we go. See if I can move back a little bit more, do anything interesting. Wow, what a subframe. How you doing? I like this fellow in the middle here as my subject. The light is perfect. This guy's all the way over there. He's like 3 miles away and he's a clear subject. I kind of would like everybody to go away except for him for a moment. That would be kind of fun. But these openings are working. Power of the vantage point and elevation. Yeah, I can't assume that people are gonna disappear. Oh, he's gonna move. He's gonna move. He's moving. He's going away. Where are you going, my friend? Where are you gonna go? What are you up to next in your day? Goodbye. Thank you. So this spot's a little problematic because the bridge is over there, but I have a few obstructions. Beautiful light. Look at that light, look at the shadows. Oh wow. It's funny because I'll frame up a shot horizontally for video and it'll be one thing and then I'll flip it vertical. When I do that, I go, oh, Let me think about this more. Just because it's working horizontally doesn't mean it's necessarily going to work vertically. You have to make adjustments. All right, let's go down. Ooh, okay. Oh, we have this fellow coming down. Let's see here. Zoom in tight. He's going to come around. Which way is he going to go? Where's he going to go? There he is. Hi. Whoa. Nice. That was a good one. Nice look. A little bit of street video, a little bit of street fashion. The hair is immaculate. I mean, he must spend at least 90 minutes on that every 3 hours. There are differences with shooting photos versus shooting videos. With photos, you're trying to capture a punctuated moment just right. With videos, you're capturing a series of moments, and they don't necessarily have to be as perfectly captured, as punctuated. Like an example with video would be, I don't have to worry about capturing everybody in a perfect position with certain people with a perfect stride. With video, I can hit record and let the moment play out. I hear music. Oh, okay, I see them now. It's like I hear music, but I don't see the music makers. We are the music makers. Sounds like an Apple advert. There's some bees over here earlier, so I'm gonna avoid them. Cool shot, I guess. Let's do a video. This is a nice video angle here. Oh, I got the kids in the background. What a shot. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. A lot of times when I'm taking photos, especially when it's one that's I'm really excited about, I already have the photo, but I'm resetting and taking it again just in case I missed focus, because that is the one thing that you cannot fix. Now, I'm sure somebody out there is gonna be, well, you know, technically you can use an AI. I haven't found a tool that does that correctly yet. All right, let's focus in on this, the chimney there. What a chimney. Oh, this is cool. So that was a shot that I would not necessarily be that excited about for a photo, but for a video with people moving by, I think that's fun. Okay, that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please feel free to let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts. Also, be reminded that I have a Skillshare class about street photography. It is comprehensive. And if you watch that class, you will never have to watch another one of my YouTube videos again. And that's a promise. Okay, buddy, it's your job to say bye. Say ah. 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 It's like, what are you doing? Ah. Ah. It's close enough.